Marshie here, giving you tips and tricks and hacks in your business and personal life. And today we're talking about QuickBooks and how to get rid of those annoying pop-ups and solicitations that they're like, oh, you want a new form? Oh, you need to order some checks. You know, that annoying stuff. I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. Okay, so let's dive in. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Edit and you're going to go to Preferences, and under Preferences you're going to go General. And under General, My Preferences. And do you see I already have it checked? It's turn off pop-up messages for products and services. Say okay. Okay. Now, that will take care of those annoying pop-ups in the middle of your day when you're trying to get your work done. Now, I have a bonus for you. Those forms that they try and sell you or you pick up at Staples or Office Depot, you can get them for free off irs.gov. Now, I generally order mine in October, and when I order them in October, I receive them in November. Now, what forms do I order? The 1099 NECs, the 945s, because I have contractors, and I order W-2s and W-3s and 1099s and adjustment forms from the previous year just in case something went wrong. And then I also can get my instructions and directions all off of irs.com, and I can order as many as I want, up to 100. So if you have to make 2 orders, make 2 orders. Okay. Hope that helps. If I bring you any value, entertainment, like, subscribe, show me a little love, and have a wonderful day.